Welcome. In this video, you'll set up your Tag Markets account and connect it to the Sonic AI copy trading strategy. It's quick and simple. We'll start by registering to the AI Tech IB portal, the community portal that connects you to the broker and the strategy. Open the sign-up page through your partner's link and fill in your details: first name, last name, email, and a password. Watch for each requirement to turn green. Then, select your country, the one your ID documents are from, and enter your phone number. Accept the 2 risk acknowledgements, wait for the security check, and click Register Now. Your account is created. Now let's verify it. Check your email inbox. You'll find a welcome message from AI Tech. Open it and click Verify Account. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. You'll be taken to a confirmation page. Your email is now verified. Click Continue to log in. Enter the email and password you just registered with, complete the security check, and click Log in. Welcome to the IB portal. Now, let's create your Tag Markets account. On your profile page, scroll down to the CopyX registration card and click Register CopyX. A Welcome to CopyX pop-up appears. Create a password for your Tag Markets account. You can use the same one as before. Once all the requirements turn green, click Sync Account. And there it is, Sync Successful. Your account is now linked with Tag Markets. You'll now receive an email to validate your password. Tick the box to confirm and click Close. Open your email. You'll find a message from Tag Markets. Inside, click Confirm Email Address, and you'll be logged into Tag Markets automatically. This email also contains your login details. Keep them safe for future logins. You're now inside Tag Markets. Before you can make a deposit, you need to verify your identity. At the top of your dashboard, click Upload Documents in the KYC banner. The verification is handled by SumSub, a secure identity service. Click Continue, then Agree and Continue to consent. You can leave the SumSub ID option switched off. You don't need it. Just click Start Verification. Now select the issuing country of your identity document and choose the document type: driving license, identity card, or passport. Upload a clear photo of your document, front and back, and make sure all details are easy to read. Next comes the liveness check, a quick selfie verification to confirm it's really you. Prefer to do this on your phone? Click Continue on Phone and scan the QR code with your camera. You can complete the whole verification from your mobile. Verification usually completes within a few minutes. In some countries, the verification window may look like this instead: a manual document upload. Here, you need to provide 2 documents. Open the document type dropdown and select your first document. For example, your passport or your national ID front and back. Then upload the second one. This can be another document or simply a selfie. Once both are uploaded, your verification is submitted, and it usually completes within a few minutes. And that's it. Once your verification is complete, your account is fully active. You can now deposit funds into Tag Markets and connect to the Sonic AI copy trading strategy. And that's exactly what we'll do in the next video.